736 on the key of B major. Finally, B is the 1, C sharp is the 2, E flat is the 3, E is the 4, F sharp is the 5, A flat is the 6, B flat is the 7, then back to the 1. So break down real quick. We have the melody line. Yeah, so it's more like a signature already. Sorry. Over the 7. So as usual, you slow from C sharp, D to E flat. So first chord, left hand side I have B flat and A flat. Right hand side with my thumb I am playing C sharp and E flat together, then A flat while keeping E flat on top. Over the 3, so I have C sharp on top here, C sharp or D flat. On my left hand side I have E flat rootless. Next chord I have A flat on my left. On my right hand side I have C sharp, F and A flat. Resolve to the next chord. Left hand side this is G. Right hand side this is C sharp, E and G. So here I did a slow from A, B flat to B. Supposed to be this, but I intentionally did this because of the arpeggio. So left hand side I have A flat and F sharp. Then my right hand accompanies it with that arpeggio. So I play B, C sharp and E flat. Repeat the same thing across the octave. Then we'll wrap it up by coming to the 4. So this is B flat and E flat. 1 1 7 6 1 7 6. Left hand side I have E, B and F sharp. F sharp on top on the right hand side. So for this, left hand side is doing B to C sharp. Right hand side is playing A flat to B flat. Then 1 7 6. Then we wrap it up on the 4 there. So this is E on the left, right hand side F sharp and B.